This is a Magnavox bass with a BSR turntable. It's a typical BSR turntable. C197, I believe, is the model number. And but the dust cover is marked Magnavox. This came as part of a system. Dust cover doesn't have any cracks or chips, just some light scratches that are hard to pick up. I've completely disassembled the changer unit, cleaned off all the old sticky grease and re-lubricated it. I've done probably close to 100 of these by now. And they're very durable turntables. This one has 3 speeds and 3 record sizes, and also has a tone arm lift. And it works real nice. Got a couple of records stacked up here. Nice and smooth. Got it hooked up to this little stereo system here. And surprisingly, I did lube the motor and re-grease the platter bearing, and it maintains a 33 1/3. Typically these BSRs run a little bit fast. This one's running quite accurate. Good sound out of the left and right. And the end of play feature works just fine too.